This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Charlie Webb. Step into this stunning nearly new, two-story home in Phase 1 of Heath Preserve. Featuring 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Phase 1 provides the builder's classic features including paver driveway, wood-look tile floors, crown molding in the kitchen, and a screened-in lanai. This meticulously maintained property gives an open concept layout, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. In the kitchen you'll get sleek countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ample cabinetry, flowing seamlessly into the bright and airy living area. Around the corner is a private office. Upstairs, the primary suite provides a private retreat with a spacious ensuite bath and generous closet. Additional bedrooms give versatility for guests, with a loft you can easily turn into a 5th bedroom for a growing family. Enjoy a covered front patio, or relax in your screened-in lanai while your fur babies enjoy the fenced yard. Have a sense of privacy with a premium lot that backs up to a retention pond, meaning no backyard neighbors. Conveniently located near schools, shopping, dining and WEC, this home is truly a must-see. For more information,